Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to log out of Roblox. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, tap on the More icon at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down a bit. Go ahead and tap on Log Out. And that's it. Now you have successfully logged out of Roblox. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.